I don't know if everyone is ready to hear this, but I'm going to say ignorance is a choice. I'll be totally truthful. This is something that I have spoken a lot to lately. I have had discussions, and this little phrase just keeps dropping out of my mouth and onto comments over on Instagram when I follow some of my favorite truthers. And I don't know about you, but it just seems like a blind man can even see what's going on right now. This is my 2 cents. Take it for what it's worth. The way I've always approached life is with a very deep curiosity for why things are the way they are. Endless discussion about how people perceive things, what the media is saying is happening, and discovering what's really happening. And that's not something that anyone can tell me. It's only something I can go looking for and digging for with my own work and with my own 2 eyes. In March 2020, I said, hey guys, something else is going on. It doesn't add up. And as a marketer, I can tell you, this was classic marketing that was going on. I just want to invite everyone to do more research, question your own biases, and go deeper than the headlines. Be willing to listen to those you don't necessarily agree with, and be willing to even debate yourself. You'll agree with some, and you'll disagree with others, and small portions of what they say. But ignorance is a choice.